to chill. Hey everyone, welcome to Ask Jessie. Thank you so much for submitting your questions. As always, these came in from Twitter and also comments that you've left on Instagram. So thank you for engaging with me and thank you for sending me so many awesome questions. I picked one for this Ask Jessie that I think is really important and I wanted to address. So let's get to it. It is from Instagram and it is the Instagram handle Jean DePole. Thanks for submitting your question, Jean, if that's your name. And Jean asks, rest times between sets are boring. Can I work a different muscle during a rest period to pass the time, or must I truly rest for 1 to 5 minutes depending on my load during the prior set? Thank you. All right. First thing, Jean, is you need to chill. I don't know about you, but if I really brought the intensity to my last set or to the workout in general, I need all the rest that I can get. So first thought is you need to sit down and chill until you're recovered enough to get back to the next set or the next exercise or wherever you are in the workout. What I want you to feel is about 80% recovered. Remember, rest and recovery is where all of the magic happens. You are not building muscle while you are performing an exercise. That's where you are damaging your muscles, you are putting your muscles under stress, putting your body under stress, and then when you are resting between sets and when you are sleeping at night and when you are taking a rest day, that's when your muscles are recovering and rebuilding and growing. So I don't care how bored you are, be bored, chill out, rest between everything. And rest between workouts, between sets, everything. So back to the 80%. I want you to feel 80% recovered. I put this into my Jessie's Girls training programs too, and it's a common question. What is 80% recovered? What does that mean, Jessie? Where's the math for that? There isn't a math equation for that, or maybe there is, but I'm not a math person, so I don't have one. But it's basically just a feeling that I want you to learn. And it's not an exact science. I want you to have a very intense set. I want you to sit down and rest in between sets, and I want you to feel not 20% recovered, because then you're not recovered enough. I don't want you still shaking from your shoulder press, but I also don't want you ice cold. So that's where I get that 80%. It's not completely recovered, but it's not still shaking. I can't even hold my shaker cup up to my mouth to take a sip of water. So only you know what that 80% is, and I want you to get to that point before you begin your next exercise or your next set. So I'm using shoulder press. You do your shoulder press, it needs to be super, super intense. You put the weight down, you just need to relax your arms, take a sip of water, and when you feel like you can grab that weight again and have enough strength to bring just as much intensity and to make sure you get through that set, that's when you've nailed the 80%. If you start any sooner than that 80%, let's say you are just timing your rest periods and you're like, I'm gonna rest 20 seconds between every exercise. That's not a very good gauge of time and gauge of rest, because timing it doesn't mean anything to your body if it needed more rest than that. So if you just rest 20 seconds and then you go right back to your next set of shoulder press, you're not going to get through the set. You're going to be fatigued, tired, and you're not going to perform as well. So you really need to allow your body that time without getting completely ice cold and taking selfies and chatting and all sorts of stuff in between sets. So find your 80%, stick to it, and if you're bored, just be bored. And if you're that bored, I have plenty of things for you to do. Are you tracking your workouts? Do you have a workout log? Take the time. You don't have to rest 5 minutes unless you did, unless you're training for a powerlifting competition or something and you did, a 1 rep max, or you did 2 or 3 reps of your heaviest PR ever, then I rest for 5 minutes too, sometimes more. But if this is just a standard workout for you, you're gonna be in that 45 to 90 second range probably before you start your next set or your next exercise. And you can do plenty of things in between that time. You can have a sip of water, or even better, you can open your training log and you can record how you felt during the last set, what here. And then also please like this video and please subscribe to my channel and share it, because I have all sorts of amazing knowledge for you that I love sharing. Thanks for submitting your questions,